Hello, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to diagonally split cells in Excel. Let's go. Open the Excel file you need. Select the cell you want to split. Pull the column and row borders to make it bigger. Right-click on the cell and select Format Cells. Go to Border tab. You will have a rectangle under Border block. Click on each side of the rectangle. You will have 4 borders. You have 2 different diagonal icons on the left and right side. Click on the one you need. Click OK. You will see your cell has a diagonal split now. Let's try to type some text. You can select the alignment at the top of the window so the split won't cover the text. If you want to add text to both parts of your cell, start typing the text and then press the spacebar on your keyboard to move it further. Done. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Comment if you use any of our tips and tricks and let us know what you think about this tutorial. We upload new tutorials every day. Don't forget to put a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.